Meaning of hammock.
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 Hammock. A hammock is a type of suspended bed or hanging chair, typically made of fabric or netting, that is suspended between 2 points. Hammocks are often used outdoors for leisure time, relaxation, and camping trips. The design of hammocks allows users to sway gently in the breeze, making them a popular choice for those seeking a peaceful retreat. They are particularly popular in tropical locations where they provide a cool and comfortable place to rest. Hammocks come in a variety of styles and sizes and can be used both indoors and outdoors.